So the last part of the question that we had done was this plant and we had transferred all the entries related to cash flow. Now we are supposed to show this depreciation ka effect. Okay. So what did I tell you? You can either make plant and machinery, land and building, furniture ka you can make a separate ledger and take the balancing figure to the closing balance sheet. Okay. Or if you don't want to make the ledger, then what you will do, you will give two effects. One is P&L account debit side depreciation, and second will be balance sheet. On the asset side, you will show the effects. Uh, Cost less depreciation is equal to WDP, like that. Am I clear about this? समझ में आ रहा है? Either you make a ledger or you directly give the effects. Either of the one you have to do. Okay? Yeah. I would always prefer making a ledger, so that sometimes you know what happens. They give you opening balance of assets. They give you closing. The depreciation is there, and then the balancing figure is either additional purchase of machine or there is sale of machine. Okay, so that you will understand much better if you make a ledger. So those clarity is more. Okay, so that's the reason I'm telling you to make a ledger for the same. Okay, so just see this. Yeah, plant and machinery, depreciation per journal entry, depreciation to plant, that is, yeah. So 55,000 ka 2%, sorry, 55,000 ka 2% makes it to 1100 minus 55,000. So my balancing figure is 53,900. Okay, fine. Then calculate for land and building. 1,40,000 का 5% is 7,000. Close the ledger. 1,33,000 is my closing balance of land and building. ठीक है. Next, furniture. 3,000 का furniture opening. 3,000 का 10% is how much? 300. This is my depreciation. Less 3,000. So 2,700 is my closing balance of furniture. Okay? Am I clear about this? Is it clear till here? Then give the second effect. I mean, show the two effects. It will appear in P&L account debit side. Yeah, here. Depreciation of plant, land and furniture. Okay? 1,100, 7,000 and 300. Okay? Then show it here. जितने भी क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है क्लोजिंग एसेट्स में आएगा क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड में आएगा सी हियर plant and machinery land and furniture working note number 5 6 7 53,900 1,33,000 and 2,700. Okay, fine. So all the entries are done. So my final accounts part is done. Okay, now close datas. Datas का closing करो. 1,07,000 plus 525 plus 1,750 plus 350 plus 43,750. So 1,53,375. Credit side total minus opening balance 31,500. So 1,21,875 is my credit sales balancing figure. Okay, balancing figure is 1,21,875. Where will you take this? Obviously, trading account, credit side. Okay, like this. Trading account, credit side. Okay, Mridula, I will. Yeah. I'll directly share it in Google Classroom. Okay, don't worry. See, credit sales. Okay, how do you get this figure? You get it from your status balancing figure 1,21,875. Okay, sales return bhi diya tha. So solve this. 3,000 cash sales plus 1,21,875 credit sales minus sales return 1,750. So my net sales is 1,23,125. This is my net sales. 1,23,125. Okay. Similarly, close your creditors. 77,000 plus 1,225 plus 1,400. 77,000 plus 1,225 plus 1,400. 787. 87,500 minus credit side 10,500. So 77,000 is my credit side, credit purchase. Okay, what is this? This is my balancing figure of creditors. Okay, remember we are doing single entry. Every transaction will have two effects because we are using the conversion method of single entry where there will be two effects for every transaction. So just keep that in mind. समझ लो आप लोग फाइनल अकाउंट्स कर लो ठीक है सेकेंड इफेक्ट इसका ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट साइड add to purchases. Okay, purchases is how much? 77,000 credit purchase plus 8,800 का cash purchase minus 1,400 का purchase return. So 84,400 is my net purchases. Okay, 84,400. Okay, done. हो गया ये सब. नेक्स्ट क्या क्लोज करोगे आप? प्लांट मशीनरी तो सब हमने क्लोज कर दिया. कैश बैंक बाकी है क्लोज करने के लिए. यस, कैश बैंक. क्लोज कैश बैंक. डेबिट साइड 8750 opening balance of cash plus 1,07,000 plus 3,500 plus 3,000. So 1,22,250 minus the credit side 77,000 minus 21,000 minus 2,700 minus 3,150 minus 5,000 minus 8,800. So 4,600 is my closing balance. Okay, closing balance of what? Closing balance of cash. Okay, I hope this is all clear to everyone. Now give the second effect of this. Closing balance of cash, closing balance sheet, asset side. Okay, closing balance sheet, asset side. Yeah. 4,600. Okay, closing balance sheet, asset side, 1,600. Sorry, 4,600. ठीक है, डन. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्लोज ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. ओके, क्लोज योर ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. सो 1,23,125 plus 23,100 1,46,625 minus the debit side opening stock minus purchase. So 44,675, that's my gross profit. Okay. Once you get your gross profit, what will you do next? Yeah, transfer it to P&L by gross profit brought down. Okay. Then close the P&L account. 44,675 plus 1,225 discount received 45,900 minus the expenses of the debit side 21,000 minus 2,700 minus 3,000 minus 525 minus 350 minus 1,100 minus 7,000 minus 300. So 9,925. This is my net profit. Okay, 9,925 is my net profit. Now what to do of this net profit? इसका second effect कहाँ जाएगा? It will be added to my capital, closing balance sheet, liability side. Okay, closing balance sheet, liability side, added to your capital. Okay. Here's my capital account. Capital 2,44,900. ये हमको कहाँ से मिला? Working note number 1 से. Okay, less drawings because पैसा बाहर गया. Add capital, additional capital because पैसा अंदर आया, and add net profit. Okay, so yeah, this is my profit. The profit will be added to my capital, 2,44,900. Okay, add additional capital minus drawings. So 2,53,925. This is my capital. So even if any student makes capital account as a working note, wrong नहीं है. It is absolutely correct. Okay. ये जो opening capital है, this you will, when you make a ledger, you will show it on the credit side. Okay. Okay. If you want, I can show you also how that answer will come. Okay, students, see. Any student who makes a capital account, तो वो क्या करेगा? ओपनिंग बैलेंस को यहाँ पे लिखेगा 2,44,000 कितना था 900. ओके, ड्राइंग्स को कहाँ लिखेगा? ड्राइंग्स टू कैपिटल, राइट? तो बाय ड्राइंग्स ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड 5,000. ओके, एडिशनल कैपिटल ब्रॉट इन, पैसा अंदर आया, राइट? तो कैश टू कैपिटल, तो बाय कैश how much? 3,500. Net profit 9,950. reflected this side. What I know, 3,500. Image, sorry, 9925. So when you close this ledger, two lakh 53, 325. You should get the same answer, obviously. So same thing is here. I prefer this one. I prefer showing it in the liability side. डायरेक्ट परफेक्ट ओके एक ही बात है आंसर तो एक ही मिलने वाला है चाहे आप लेजर बनाओ या मत बनाओ ओके ओके देन यू हैव टू टैली योर बैलेंस शीट so plus your 7875 का total of creditors 2,61,200 and total your liability side 23,100 closing stock plus 43,750 closing balance of debtors plus 150 prepaid expense का second effect plus closing balance of plant and machinery 1,33,000 का closing balance of land and furniture 2,700 plus cash sales 4,600. So 2,61,200. Okay. So here we complete our complete question is done. Okay. The complete question is also visible. Okay. Is it clear till here? Okay. So this is that complete question. Okay. So this is a complete question. Thanks, Bhumi. I repeat, it is very similar to final accounts. Very similar. You will just feel you're doing final accounts. सिर्फ इतना है कि फाइनल अकाउंट्स में हम इतने लेजर्स नहीं बनाते एज सपोर्टिंग आंसर्स लाइक डेटर्स क्रेडिटर्स प्लांट एंड मशीनरी लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग फर्नीचर कैश बैंक दिस ऑल वी डोंट हैव इट इज अंडरस्टूड यू हैव टू ट्रीट इट लाइक अ फाइनल okay. Now let us move on to something very quick, okay, which can be done orally also. So I'll come to that aspect. Bhumi, it is not compulsory to make all the ledgers, but trading P&L और balance sheet तो आपको बनाना ही पड़ेगा closing. ये तो compulsory है because it is a part of the main answer. Rest the ledgers that you make वो optional है. If you know, if you are smart enough, you can do it directly. जैसे to calculate credit sales, if you can do the formula of addness वाला and do it, इट इज देन यू कैन डू इट ना. एक चीज़ याद रखना, जो भी चीज़ हम डेबिट करते हैं ना वो फॉर्मूला स्टेटमेंट में ऐड होता है, और जो हम चीज़ क्रेडिट करते हैं वो फॉर्मूला स्टेटमेंट में माइनस होता है. तो अगर आपको लेजर नहीं बनाना है, टाइम सेव करना है, तो आप एड लेस का लॉजिक यूज करके भी सम कर सकते हैं. क्लियर भूमि? But I would say it is always advisable to make ledgers because वो easy होता है. You will understand अरे इसका एक इफेक्ट इधर दे तो दूसरा कहीं और देना है. Otherwise you will miss that. And here in this chapter you have to actually connect the dots. Okay. After this which step? After this what next? Which ledger to be closed first? ये ledger का balance इधर जाना चाहिए. All this synchronization, this sync should be there in your brain, and that comes only with practice. Okay, clear? Now let us understand some other part. See students, look at this question. बहुत इजी है, ऐसे 2 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. तो जरा ध्यान दो. फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन कैलकुलेट टोटल परचेज पूछा. ओके या सो टोटल परचेजेस निकालना है. याद रखना टोटल परचेजेस इज व्हाट? Cash purchase plus credit purchase. Okay, cash purchase plus credit purchase is total purchase. Okay, so don't forget this aspect. Then creditors opening is given, closing is given. Opening balance of bills payable is given, closing balance of bills payable is given. Cash paid to creditors, bills discharged, cash purchases, return outwards. Okay, so in this case, what are you going to do? Yeah, listen carefully. You are going to first make a bills payable account, and then you are going to make a creditors account. Okay, bills payable का opening balance कितना है? 25,000. bills payable का closing balance कितना है? 45,000. creditors opening 30. creditors closing 20. Okay, cash paid to creditors. Okay, so it will be creditors to cash. Okay, creditors to cash 1,50,000. Obviously second effect will be in cash bank. Okay, so creditors to cash. Next, bills discharged. Okay, मतलब honor. So cash bank or bills received. Okay, cash bank to bills receivable. So it will not be reflected here. It can even be bills payable paid on students. So you can write bills payable to cash. Okay, yeah, even it could be that. Bills payable to cash. Bills payable to cash. 44. Okay. Next, कैश परचेजेस. ओके, तो कैश परचेजेस दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, वेरी गुड, अच्छी बात है. हमको सिर्फ क्रेडिट परचेज निकालना. ओके, सो सेकंड विल बी वेयर यू मेक योर ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में आएगा. then return outwards, this is sales return, purchase return. So journal entry will be creditors to purchase return 6,000. Okay, so now close this ledger, you will understand. 44,500 plus creditors 25, closing is 20. That is done. Opening is 25, closing is 35. Creditors paid is cash paid to creditors, creditors to cash 1,51,000. Then bills payable discharged. Okay, that is bills payable to cash 44,500. Or you can even assume discharge means dishonor भी हो सकता है. So I can even reverse this. Creditors to bills paid. So original entry. Okay. Okay. So do it till here. Then what you will do? First you will close bills payable account. Whatever is the balance, you will take it to creditors, and then you will close creditors accordingly. Okay. 44,500 plus 44,500 plus 45,000 minus 25,000. 54,500. Okay. Take this here. This balance will go to creditors. Take this creditors का balance here. Okay. So 54,500 plus 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 1,51,000. कितना हुआ? 2,31,500 minus 30,000. 2,01,500. So this is what my credit purchase. Okay, 2,01,500. So total purchases is what? Credit purchase plus cash purchase. So cash purchase कितना है? 1,29,000. और क्रेडिट परचेज कितना है? 2,01,500. सो टोटल परचेज कितना होगा? 3,30,500. So this is the answer of total purchases. Okay. So this is how you will calculate. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? So this is actually what a small calculation sum for NCBs. Bills payable and all that is there. ये जो मैंने बताया ना ये वाला एस्पेक्ट इधर इफ एनी स्टूडेंट्स राइट बिल्स पेबल टू कैश वो भी रॉन्ग नहीं है, इट्स राइट एंड